Today I'll show you how to underline in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file where you want to underline text. Once the PDF is open, look for the comment tool. You may see it on the right side of the screen. If not, click Tools, then choose Comment. When the comment toolbar opens, look for the Underline tool. It usually looks like a letter U with a line under it. Click the Underline Text tool. Now move your cursor to the text you want to underline. Click and drag across the word, sentence, or paragraph. When you release your mouse, Acrobat will add an underline to the selected text. If you want to underline more text, keep the Underline tool selected and highlight another part of the document. If the underline does not appear, make sure the PDF has selectable text. Try clicking and dragging over the text. If you can select the words, the Underline tool should work. If the PDF is scanned as an image, Acrobat may not recognize the text. In that case, go to Tools, then choose Scan and OCR. Run text recognition first, then try underlining again. You can also change the underline color. Right-click the underlined text and choose Properties. Select the color you want, then close the Properties window. If you want to remove the underline, click the underlined text to select the comment, then press Delete on your keyboard. When you are finished, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original PDF unchanged, choose Save As and save a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, go to Comment, choose the Underline Text tool, select the text, adjust the color if needed, and save the file. And that's how you underline in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.